All right, so that's important commentary coming in from NASSCOM Tech Summit. Let's move on to the energy prices front, and IOC in particular, along with other oil majors, is rising in trade because the prices of domestic and commercial LPG cylinders have been increased by oil marketing companies with effect from today. Now, this is, remember, the second biggest one-time hike in LPG prices that we have seen. And Sonal Bhutra, our colleague, is here with all the details of the implications, why this rise, and why an LPG second big rise right now, Sonal.
Well, Nisha, it is a big hike that has come through. As you pointed out, in the commercial segment, it's almost a hike of around 19.8%. It is a hike of 350 rupees per cylinder, now at 2,119 rupees per cylinder. In the retail segment, that's the one that we use in our homes, it has been hiked by 4.7% to 1,103 rupees per cylinder. It is the second biggest one-time hike that the commercial LPG prices have seen. Now, usually, how do we calculate LPG prices back home? It is a formula-based calculation that we do basis of import parity price. The import parity price is determined based on LPG prices which are currently in the export markets or the international markets, and on basis of that, the domestic prices are calculated, assuming that the fuel is actually imported into the country, and that's the pricing that we assume here. International LPG prices, how are they calculated? They move in tandem with the international crude prices. So basically, that's how domestic LPG prices are considered. They are usually changed every month, but this change has come in after many months that these prices have been revised, and they have been revised upwards. Now, why has it come in as a shocker? Because the major components of these LPG price hikes are the international crude oil prices, also the changes in rupee, if we see a major depreciation, so to say. The other ones are the insurance costs, freight costs, there are port charges, other costs which are calculated here, but both of them have not gone higher. Neither the rupee has depreciated nor the crude prices have gone higher. Despite that, this is a bigger hike. Gas prices globally have fallen as well. So this is coming as a bit of surprise and will definitely pinch the pockets of customers for sure.
Oh, absolutely. And there's widespread criticism that we're seeing, after this move as well across social media. But Sonal, thanks a lot for getting us all of the details.